invited me in this discussion. I was thinking that it was only one way and one kind of discussion is going on, one kind of ideology is being propagated, what kind of forum it is, what kind of freedom it is, what kind of equality it is, that only one way people are speaking and other ideas are not being welcomed. So I think maybe at the end, but I would first of all say that freedom is the basic right of every human being. And I'm sorry, those who are against religion, who are against faith, I would like to state that the basis of Islam is the freedom. And let me tell you why. It is because God has created everyone, but God has not compelled anyone to choose the faith. He has not compelled. He has given freedom. Whether you choose any faith of your choice, God has given such a freedom that even you can deny God. God has given freedom that even you can do against His wills and commandments, but truth does not change. So freedom does not mean, freedom is an asset and it has to be protected. God says in Quran that if He would have wished that, He would have made everyone alike in faith. But He has not done it like this. He is testing us and He is testing our faculty whether this freedom be used for correct decision or for wrong decision. Okay. So this is one thing I want to say. Another thing, that Islam means peace. Those who are taking ways of violence, those who are protesting in a way of violence, they are not following Islam fully actually. So violence cannot be allowed, but everybody has freedom to express his difference of opinion. We have been telling to the organizers from the beginning, and I am very happy that they were convinced to our ideas, and we had a discussion also, and we said that this festival is our festival. It is taking place in Jaipur, it is taking place in Rajasthan, and we want to make it a successful festival. So nothing of some sort should happen that some bad image or bad thing goes from here. What was our apprehension? That a person who is criminal in our opinion, though he may have written good things, they are appreciable, but at least one thing which has been banned, and in that he has misused the freedom of expression by abusing somebody, by abusing some faith, by provoking people of some particular faith. This cannot be allowed in the name of freedom of expression. Freedom always has responsibility. Freedom always has responsibility. Irresponsible freedom cannot be allowed. That is why I say that everybody has his freedom to express his opinion, and every other person also has freedom to express the difference of opinion, to protest peacefully, protest democratically. This is the right of everyone.
Salim, I have two questions to ask you. One is that certainly nobody